75% Class 9 students are facing this problem in the virtual world. Did your mind start to wander in the middle of your online class? And is that the reason you missed an important topic? CBSE Class 9 preparations are very important as they can build a solid foundation for Class 10 board exams. Thus, to help you overcome not only the challenges that the virtual world has come up with, but also to help you study methodically all year round, Oswal Books has published a complete study package for you. As a first step of your preparation, it is important that your academic concepts are strong and clear. Oswal question banks for CBSE Class 9 are based on the latest and reduced syllabus for 2021. They include various typologies of questions, revision notes, mind maps for better understanding of each chapter. It can be used for regular revision of all the topics. Keeping in mind differentiated learning and the need of students for in-depth learning of every concept, Oswal Books, in its yet another endeavor, has launched Oswal One for All. This book takes a step further to prepare students not only for board exams, but also to make them ready for various competitive exams like NTSC and Olympiads, for comprehensive practice of every chapter. Oswal Pull-Out Worksheet includes chapter-wise worksheet with ample space for writing answers. Every worksheet contains a mix of questions for which the maximum marks and time are mentioned. Since the CBSE curriculum is based on the NCERT textbooks, Oswal Books has also published solutions for NCERT textbook questions. For students studying science and math, Oswal Books has books with solution for both NCERT and exemplar problems. Oswal NCERT Textbook Plus Exemplar includes latest NCERT textbook and in-text questions fully solved. It also comprises of previous year's papers with solutions. Whereas Oswal NCERT Exemplar includes latest NCERT Exemplar questions fully solved. To better evaluate your preparations, you must solve Oswal sample question papers. These sample question papers include 5 solved question papers and 5 self-assessment papers. They comprise of on-tips notes, answering tips, mind maps, which are a single-page snapshot of the entire chapter, to help students to be exam ready. Results of using Oswal Books. Oswal Books have been used by more than 2.4 crore students in the past 10 years and have improved results of students by up to 36%. To buy Oswal Books, click anywhere on the video. Here are some reviews about Oswal Books.
Good afternoon. Myself Harshit Shukla from Milton Public School. I've got 93.4% in my 12th board examination in science stream. I would like to highlight that I've gone through Oswal sample papers, practice tests, mind maps and keynotes. Actually, I was preparing for IIT JEE Mains and Advanced, and I've gone through Oswal sample papers 2 months before exam, and that ultimately helped me a lot.